I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you found yourself with suspended funds on Binance, don't worry. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you recover your money. Step 1. Log into your account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Check your email. Look for any emails from Binance regarding the suspension. They often provide specific instructions or reasons for the suspension. Step 3. Submit a support ticket. If you don't see any helpful information in your email, go to the Binance support page and submit a ticket. Be sure to include all relevant details about your account and the issue. A quick tip, make sure to check the ticket confirmation email to ensure your request was received. Step 4. Verify your identity. Binance may require you to verify your identity to lift the suspension. Prepare to provide documents like your ID or proof of residence. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your ticket and verification, keep an eye on your email for updates. If you don't hear back within a few days, consider following up on your ticket. I hope these steps help you recover your funds smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.